Hey guys, it's Yusuf with Collective, and I want to share another great feature coming to Power Apps. This summer, there's going to be so many great features coming and updates, not just to Power Apps, but to Power BI, Power Automate, overall Power Platform, and Microsoft 365. So there's so many great things to look for, but one of the ones I definitely would put on your radar is the new geospatial feature coming to Power Apps. So again, this will be available for public preview this summer. And what geospatial mapping is, which to me, when I first heard it, geospatial, not a word I was aware of, but it's super simple. It is not just a map you can pin a location, it's an interactive map you can connect with your data. You can have 2D, 3D views, satellite view, and this allows us to really open the doors of having a data location based visual to show data, as well as like what can we do with that to interact. And so at first when I saw this, I got obviously excited because it is a great feature, but then I thought, what is the real user case for this? And so some of the ones that I was thinking of right away was, if you're a real estate company, you can look at not just a gallery list of properties you have, whether they're open or closed, being rented, however you categorize them, but you could also have a data visualization. So you can zoom in to see where those areas are, which neighborhoods they're part of. If you do something like in-home installations for things like appliances, flooring, carpeting, you can open your app for the day and see what you have going on, what those locations look like, kind of plan your route ahead of time. Maybe you just want to have a visualization for seeing where are your customers based? What cities do they fall under? You can use Power BI, of course, for a lot of reporting, but this allows you to have this real-time live data connection to a location-based view that lets your users interact. And so there's so many opportunities, and I think this is going to be a big one. I think as they develop it even more, when we'll see it come this summer, we're going to see ways to interact it by not just seeing a pin on a location, but what can you do when you click on that pin? What kind of on select features may you have? Looking at data clustered by city, so many cool things. And so I definitely want to see what you guys think will be a great use case for using this feature. So definitely comment below and let me know. But that's not just it when it comes to geospatial mapping. There's also an address suggestion component being added this summer as well. When you're adding an address, if you have it in a form of yours, however you have users inputting an address into your database through Power Apps, this new address suggestion will actually give you the suggestion, just like if you were to use Google Maps or Bing Maps, anything like that, so that they can actually get an accurate address they put in there. So as you start typing, you'll see your address, click on it, and that will allow it to connect to not just an accurate address input, but longitude and latitude. You can have, connections to the country, the city. All these built-in data features will give you an accurate input, as well as a lot more of those data fields filled in for you, which you can incorporate into this geospatial map, which is powered by Azure Maps. For me, I've worked with different, companies where they have these on-site locations they visit. And that's going to be huge because every time you input that information, it's always prone to user error when the data is being inputted, the way they format anything, stuff like that. So this will definitely save those people who are making apps for frontline workers who have to be on site. And so again, I think this is going to be great, and I can't wait to see how you guys plan on using this. So definitely let us know how you guys are going to use this feature when it comes out this summer. And as always, follow us to keep track of the latest features coming to Microsoft 365 and the Power Platform. I'll catch you guys all later.